Andito na nga kami. And this is Kyle and Peter. Ay, nahulog telepono ko. So ayan guys, kailangan pa nating maglakad ng ilang oras. So wala na yung ano guys, hindi na natin naabutan ang cherry blossom, naging red na. But still a lot of people. Gas na siya, late na kasi tayo, so yan na lang yung naabutan natin, diba? Ayan, next year, maaga tayo. Ayan, wala na. Naglagas na. Pero a lot of people pa rin, guys. Look, madami pa rin tao. And, this is, hi guys. Hey guys. Peter. You're drunk? You say hi. Okay lang, okay. To my vlog. Ito siya guys, yung ating cherry blossom. Yan na lang yung naabutan natin. Naglagas na silang lahat. And yan sila Kyle. Tagal ko na niyayaya si Peter dito. Nung first week pa. Pero ayan, ngayon lang kami nakapunta. So wala na rin.
Hello.
Din silang ano dito guys, kainan. Kung gusto nyo kumain, kakain tayo. Cheese. Oh, we have a lot of choices also here. But, guys, nag-order ng takoyaki. Ayan, 6 pieces. And then, ako ayaw kong kumain. And si Peter maghanap pa kami. Kasi alam nyo na maarte yan sa pagkain. So, ayan guys, nakahanap na si Peter ng lumpia. Ni Kyle. 6 pieces, 12 euro. How expensive?
Bain ka na lang sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Guys, kinakain na ni Kyle yung order niyang ano, sobrang mura. 12 euro, 6 pieces. For Peter. Crowd. You eat your lumpia now, honey? Ayan, nakain na ang dalawa kong ano, baby. Nakain na yung dalawa kong baby, guys. Ayan, si Peter lumpia and Kyle is takoyaki. Ayan. Ito is, how much is this? 7 euro for how many? I think is 10 pieces. And Kyle is a special one. 6 pieces for 12 euro. Parking lot guys. Free parking din siya. Lahat free. So, need nyo lang maaga para may space kayo. So, free parking. Wala ding entrance or park. Lahat free. May maganda na kayong ano, mga bulaklak. And sky! Ayun guys, our next destination.
Overview
From
meter, scherm
Cherry
bocht naar
Blossom.
links.
So, mag-shopping daw si Kyle. Ito na tayo guys. Anyway, galing na ako dito last year. Yeah. Yan na guys. Ito, may tulips dito. Yeah, moy color. Yeah. Like guys, at titingin tayo ng pang gym. Kasi dito ko binili yung dalawang leggings ko. Eh, may size ako dito. Kaya dito tayo titingin ulit. Ang gusto ni Kyle. Ayan. Sana siya? Nauna na siya dito guys. Sinundan lang namin. Ayun, si Mr. Levi's. Neat load. Sabi ko, hindi maganda. Yeah, so sila dito guys. Here. Ganda ng weather ngayon pero mahangin. guys. At dito kami upo sa labas. Still cold.
You want shade here?
No, it's okay. Like, it's our lunch. Anyway, pumasok pala kami kasi malamig sa labas. Thank you so much.
Enjoy!
Yeah. Ang dami ba to? Marami ba to? This is our lunch. And kay Peter is yan lang, guys. Yan lang, pero marami din yan for 1 person. For 2 person. Tapos mamaya makikipag-party kami. I didn't speak that this too much. So, kain muna kami. Saan?
How about try this one?
Green? Did you try it already? That is green?
It's beer, eh?
Oh, samoy. Siya nag-try kasi doon sa ano, ang daming tao, pila-pila. Nasa Jack and Jones kami. Yeah, it's good. Supportive. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Bili mo yan? Okay. And how about us? We buy nothing, honey. We only buy socks.
Yeah. I only buy socks.
And leggings with me. To me. Alos nabili ni Peter yung mga polo na yan.
Gusto na pa ba ng bago niya?
Yeah. So, wala. Yung ibang color lang na hindi niya nabili dyan, yung hindi niya gusto. Ayan, to naman si supermodel.
Yeah.
Hindi na rin tayo ng ano, guys. Ng face cream. Kasi dito outlet. So, mas mura siya. So, kumuha na ako dito. And then, pangsan. So, gawin to pay. Ayan guys, andito tayo sa party. Yeah, we have a big house. Pang mayaman. We have a big house. Mga handa. Ito yung mga handa, guys. Nagpipicture taking sila. I don't know what is this. Wow! May bupis. May bupis. And then, wow! Yan. Ang dami pagkain. And then, this one. And this one. And then, nagpipicture taking sila doon. Ang color coding is pula. Saka may mga dessert pa tayo dito, guys. And that is me.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hurrah!